Hello everyone, learn how to maintain plan versions in SAP, HCM or HR. In the SAP Easy Access screen field, type SPRO and press Enter. Click on SAP Reference IMG. Then click on the arrow next to Personal Management. Then click on the arrow next to Global Settings in Personal Management. Then click on the arrow next to Planned Version Maintenance. Click on the Execute button next to the Maintain Plan Versions. Click the New Entries button. Create a plan version. Enter a name you want to use. Click Save. Click the Back button. You can see that these active and current checkboxes are not clicked. Click the Back button. Click on Set Active Plan Version. We will enter the plan version in the value abbreviation column, which we have already created. Click Position. Press Enter. Save it. Click Maintain Plan Versions. We can see that the active checkbox is clicked. Click back to the SAP Easy Access screen. In the SAP Easy Access field, type PSO0 and press Enter. The default plan is the current plan version. Select the Air Plan version. Type SPRO into the field and press Enter. Click on SAP Reference IMG. Then click on the arrow next to Personal Management. Then click on the arrow next to Global Settings in Personal Management. Then click on the arrow next to Planned Version Maintenance. Click on the Execute button next to the Maintain Plan Versions. We can see that the A1 planned version is now active, and it is also the current version. Here we can check which plan version is active, and which is current plan version. Click Position. We can find the plan version by clicking on the position.